little... Hey, Daddy.
Will you spell ant for me again?
Now what do we spell?
I don't know. Will you do ant for me?
What does it spell?
ATR? Nothing yet. Or Artur.
It spells apple.
Will you spell ant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's big N?
I don't know.
Oh, I found it. Oops, it's upside down.
Good job.
Check it out. Give a thumbs up to the camera. High five. Woo!
What are the letters, Anders? Can you point to them? What? Say them out loud. What are the letters? Good job, Anders.
I put them away.
I know.
Yeah, I was not gonna say anything.
I know. Can you put them back and say the letters?
Yeah.
Say them out loud. What's it spell? What's it spell, goofball?